What's up, guys? In this video we're going to talk about how you can use video marketing to promote your affiliate offers, or if you have your own business you can use video marketing to promote your business or whatever, essentially whatever you're trying to sell. So I made a similar video in the past, but in this one let's just talk about video marketing basics. Right now, a lot of people have this idea of video marketing where you need to produce these like really slick, really like professional looking videos that concisely explain like every little facet of your business. I personally don't believe that's true. I think that instead of agonizing over whether or not you got the colors right in one video or the editing is just right or whatever, it's better to just produce like massive amounts of content so that people will like, basically it's like this, like if you produce lots of content, let's say 1 out of 10 of those videos are going to get super popular, as opposed to if you just post like 1 video a week or 1 video a month, it's less likely. Now there's different ways of looking at it, and you could also look at like my channel and be like, oh, you've been doing this for 3 months, you only have 500 subs, like you suck. But you know, on the other hand, you need to look at what's best for your personality, right? If you tell me that I need to work on a video for a week and I can only post 1 a week, that's not, I'm probably not going to like last very long with that strategy. Like I'm the type of person, I want to upload, I'd upload 10 a day if I could, you know, just because I don't think that you necessarily need to do all that editing. Although I will say it's probably pretty rare for like an unedited video of just some guy talking to the camera to go viral. Like you do kind of need that editing and stuff. You know, I'll do that later. I don't feel like doing that now. So basically when it comes to video marketing, another reason why I like, and you can see my upload schedule right here, it's like either 1 or 2 videos a day. And I recorded all of these like probably here, I think, or maybe here. You know, and I scheduled them out. I had to like restrain myself to schedule them out instead of posting them all at once just because I wanted to post them. I was like, oh my God, I just recorded 8 videos. Like, I'll just post them all now. Probably not a good idea. So basically, one of the reasons why I like recording so many videos is because you can put links to products. Why didn't this work? You can put links to products that you're selling in the videos themselves. Right, so let's say that I've uploaded, what is this, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 videos in the past, let's say a week, or between the 24th to the 19th. So 9 videos in 5 days. Okay, 9 videos in 5 days, and let's say on average that my computer likes to load super fast. Let's say on average I put 4, 5, 10, 11, 15, 16, 20. All right, so there's 20 links in here, 20 opportunities for people to click on something and to either subscribe to one of my channels or to be taken to an affiliate page which will drop a cookie in their browser which will track them in case they watch a video in the future and I'm making some, you know, I'm talking about one of the things that I've mentioned in the links, one of these links, and they might be like, after the 8th video, oh, you know what, like this ClickFunnels thing or this Pygambot thing or this, you know, whatever I happen to be promoting at the time actually looks pretty cool. Maybe I'll buy it, right? He's got a lot of tutorial videos. I pretty much understand how to do it at this point. Like I might as well just buy it, right? And if I have problems, like I can always just leave a comment on his channel. He's pretty responsive. I'm sure he'll help me, right? Like that's kind of the idea here, right? And it also, you know, it depends on your niche, right? Like when it comes to video marketing, if you have a more like obscure niche, right? Like let's say I'm doing lots of videos on ClickFunnels or Pygambot. Does it make sense for me to put like a ton of effort into like editing this like super slick like video about ClickFunnels? Probably not, because that's not a topic that like the general public has a lot of interest in, right? Like who wants to learn this like complex like web design software to make a sales page, you know, and sell products? Like your average person is not an entrepreneur. Okay, but let's talk about fitness on the other hand, right? When it comes to fitness videos, is it probably a better idea to like have some fancy editing in there? I would say yes, right? And this is something that I, you know, probably should do more when it comes to video marketing, but I haven't been. But like, let's be real. Like, why do people watch fitness videos? They watch them for entertainment. Okay, they don't watch them like like, how many people do you know, or if you've even done this, even myself, like I'm not going to watch a fitness video and like work out along with the video, right? I'm going to watch it because I want to see like some girl in like tight spandex pants doing squats, or some roided out like gorilla like lifting like 900 pounds, or some like freaky like gymnast like doing some crazy, bar workout or something like that. It's entertainment, right? So I mean, all videos are really entertainment. Some are like entertainment, and some are more about learning, right? The internet marketing ones are more about learning, but fitness, I would say, is more about entertainment. So in that case, I would say maybe adding like some clever editing, maybe some music, some maybe like some cuts. That would probably be a better idea. But then again, it's important to test, right? Like when I started this, okay, now you can see there was a long gap here where I didn't post any videos, right? That's because like back here, let's take a look, last 90 days. So essentially with this channel, right around December, okay, this is before I started posting any more videos. I'm getting like residual views from videos that I posted like years ago, right? But when I started posting again here, you can see, boom, spikes, and I'm uploading all these videos, right, regularly. Traffic's going up, going up, going up. And then there was this gap here, posted another one, not very good, gap. So essentially from here to here, there was like a gap, right? And like basically what I'm trying to say is that once I started posting again, it jumped back up, right? And now, since I'm posting even more, jump back up again, right? It's up very high now. So my new hope is that it's going to stay like around here. But basically what I'm trying to say is like the more you post, the more chances people have to find your stuff. And if I had $3,000 a month to just like give to some like Filipino video editor and literally just send him all of my footage and be like, bro, take this, go nuts, like edit it, do literally whatever you want, give me the videos as fast as you can, here's money, like give me 100 videos a month, like make them look good, I would totally do it, right? Because like, you don't understand, YouTube, number one, is free. Number two, it's like the third most visited website in the world. Number four, if you're entertaining and people like you, they're gonna watch your stuff, right? Even if you're not entertaining, like I can't count how many times I've watched a video that's been like so boring. I'm like, this is like a famous person. They're sitting in their living room with their girlfriend. Some third person is like filming them talk about like the most boring conversation ever. I'm like, why am I watching this? And then 20 minutes later, I've watched like 6 episodes. I'm like, what the heck just happened? Anyway, that was my little ramble on video marketing. Long story short, basically like post a lot of videos. You have two strategies, right? Post a lot of videos that are giving information, or post a smaller amount of videos that are heavily edited that are intended to be more entertaining. You can do both, but like this video right here, this video is heavily edited. It's not really heavily edited. I have like some text pop-ups and stuff like that, and it's about 8 or 9 minutes, right? But this obviously is my most popular video by far. But this video, heavily edited, virtually not edited at all, not edited at all, heavily edited, right? So like not edited, still got a lot of views, right? Although this is like, yeah, this is the last 90 days. Got a lot of views with this. This one, not edited, right? But in the past 48 hours, it's one of my top videos. This video, not edited, and once again, past 48 hours, one of my top videos. Although, significantly eclipsed by this one. So anyway, it's up to you what you guys want to do. Try a mix and match of both. Maybe you'll prefer one style over another. Like I said, I don't care if people think my videos are bad. When it comes to video marketing, I'm just going to crank them out and put as much stuff out there as I can. Because if people like me, they're going to watch all my videos anyway. You know, like they don't care. They're going to care less if they're like super fancy with like sparkles or something like that. Cool. You guys have any questions about video marketing? Leave it in a comment. Like, subscribe. Peace.